Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, magsasagot tayo ng mga problems coming from the recent Philippine Math Olympiad competition mga idol. So all credits lahat ng questions natin from PMO itself. Tapos mga Lodi Cakes, gagawa tayo ng mga series of tutorials for the current or from the recent PMO para at least ma-enhance kayo mga Lodi, especially those who are aspiring to become math wizards o kaya yung mga math enthusiasts natin and even the trainers itself. Siyempre yung mga coaches natin gusto rin gumaling para maituro nila dun sa mga students nila. So for sure marami mag-benefit when we discuss the approach kahit dun sa mga simpler problems lang as we go along dun sa mga mahihirap na problems. So ito yung problem number 1. Let A, B, and C be positive integers such that 3.14 is equal to A plus 1 all over B plus 1 over C. Find the value of A plus B plus C. Okay, kung mapapansin natin, ang pinaka-first thing na we have to notice is ito, naka-express into continued fraction. Kumbaga ito, nakasum yung A plus another series of complex fractions. So ang gagawin natin dyan, the first thing that we have to do is to express 3.14 into its mixed fraction form. So alam natin na ang 3.14 is equal to 3 and 14 over 100. And ang 14 and 100 is may common pa rin mga Lodi. So that is equivalent to 3 and 7 over 50. Tama ba mga idolo? So ano nang gagawin natin, Sir IJ? So from that case, alam natin na ito is 3. Obviously, we can conclude. Okay, tama ka dyan, Lodi. That A is equal to 3. So yun na agad yun. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy. Automatic, ito na siya. Okay, goods tayo dyan mga idolo. Next, etong fractional part, 7 over 50 is equivalent to 1 over B plus 1 over C. Getting the reciprocal to get rid of the numerator 1 in the right side. So we can have 50 over 7 is equal to B plus 1 over C. Tama mga idol, na reciprocal lang ni Sir IJ. Same process, express this into its mixed fraction form. Alam natin na ang 50 divided by 7 is 7 remainder 1, or that is 7 and 1 over 7 equals B plus 1 over C. So comparing mga Lodi Cakes, so ilagay natin to sa gitna para kita. So yung B natin equal kay 7, obviously yung C natin equal kay 7. Ganun lang siya kadali. Summing up the values, we have 3 plus 7 plus 7. Therefore, the answer to this PMO problem is 17, which is letter C. So I hope that is clear, and if ever you have questions or clarifications, just feel free to comment on the comment section. Thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. See you on my next engineering and math related contents, and I hope you all the best mga Lodi Cakes. Bye-bye.